This is looking at question 1b and 1c, and this is based on the questions that came before where you were working out what the income elasticity of demand was. This was the figure, 4.91, and then you have to say, using this figure, you have to say what is true about the new cars. When you're looking at an income elasticity of demand figure, the first thing you can tell, if it's a positive value, then that means that it's a normal good. And a normal good means that as income goes up, quantity demanded goes up. And we can see here that this is a positive value. There's no minus sign there. So therefore we know that this is a normal good, not an inferior good. An inferior good is where when income goes up, quantity demanded goes down. So we know that this is a normal good in this case. So it can't be A and it can't be B. They're both inferior. And then the second thing you can tell by looking at this is whether it's elastic or inelastic. And we know that if the value is greater than 1, when you ignore any negative sign, we don't have a negative sign here, but so it's easier. But if it's greater than 1, we know that it is elastic. So a percentage change in income causes a greater percentage change in the quantity demanded. So we know that this is a normal good, and we know it's relatively income, not this one, elastic. This is true. So therefore the answer is D. Then the next question, this says the IMF forecasts that the average income in the UK will grow by 2.4% in 2014 and that the growth rate will slow to 2.2% in 2015. So incomes are going to go up in 2014 by 2.4% and they're going to go up in 2015 but by a bit less, by 2.2%. So they want to know what's the impact of this forecast change in average incomes on new car sales. So here what they are giving you the 2 marks for is first of all saying that in both years car sales will go up because you need to explain when incomes go up, quantity demanded goes up, because we've established that they're a normal good. This is 1 mark. And then the second mark for saying in 2015 car sales will increase at a slower rate as growth is lower at 2.2%. Because in both years incomes are going up, but in 2015 the income growth is only 2.2%. It's less than in 2014. So the car sales will continue to go up, but that will happen at a slower rate, and this is what your second mark is for.